bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Hey guys, today let's see how to draw an hostel. So the font looks like quite like a square, so it's pretty easy to divide it. And we are going to start with the biggest surface, so we divide by 2, then after that just by 4. Right here is in perspective, and I don't hesitate to redivide it one more time. And just note like the small gap with the animal print and the middle of that square, because this is what we are going to play the most often, is to divide with some simple geometric squares, and then we will adjust all the small gaps in between to reproduce our pictures. So now I got this main picture in my mind, let's redraw it with the division techniques here. So I take the half, and then I divide it. So it's a bit in perspective, so there is actually a bit of foreshortening right here. There is a precise way of doing it, but here is just by doing by estimations. I will tell you more in the perspective lesson. So do you remember that small gap that we saw earlier? So this is how we proceed here. I just reproduce it on the main sketch. So as we can see now, it's all about divisions, it's all about simple geometry, and what I do is to connect different points. So now the facet looks like quite like a grid, and it's much easier now to add the details slowly and slowly, with some good estimation. See, I know that circle is touching the middle of that vertical line, and so I'm just reproducing it. So it's quite easy to get confused as that, and so it's good to add a bit of value. That's a specific personal technique that I use. And yeah, most important is to keep focused. Like, if you know what you're doing, you know why you're putting certain lines, and then only you can be able to work on it pretty fast. So yeah, now I got pretty much a good preview of the overall. So the most difficult has been done, and it's really time to focus more into the details. Because if the main proportion is good, you have higher chance that the placement of your details will be much easier. So I like to use the left pictures as experimentations, and then as my brain understand that logic, I just duplicate it on the sketch. And usually I apply these techniques for urban sketching when I go and sketch outside. Yeah, so now I visualize even better the overall. It's pretty cool. And it's become really like now the easiest part. Everything has been done, you just need to add some value and details. So the idea is that if you can divide well, you have much higher chance to draw well, and you will draw so much faster as well, because most of the shapes in design of the things that are surrounding us are symmetrical. It's all about simple geometry. So once again, it's all about starting with general shapes, and then we go into details slowly, and then we got the overall. So that's all. Hope it helps. See ya. So if you guys are passionate of design sketching but you actually wonder how to start, so feel free to download the book, the Designer Starter Kit, and make your first steps. See you! Hey everyone, so today let's see how to make dynamic sketches.